Hey there guys, in this quick video I'm going to compare the best screenwriting tools right now on the market for you to use, and which is like the base ones and also like important things. So first thing first, let's talk about the fading. Very popular on the market. What is really great is that when you're going to click here buy, you have only $80 like complete one-time purchase, and then you can have like free updates for life that you don't have to pay. And the student pricing is $50, so that's very good, and you have even like free trial available. So this is something that I really like about Faden. So it's by the screenwriters for screenwriters. It's clean, distraction free if you want to actually like use it. Also extremely stable, a real-time collaboration, cross-platform, unique dialogue tuner, a Unicode support, open screenplay format. So that's very good. But it's kind of like not quite a final draft level for advanced features. So that's something to be aware of too. Less brand recognition than final draft, and limited collaboration features comparing to final draft. And that's something to be aware of. So another one is a Final Draft 13. So Final Draft 13 is got more expensive. You see right now like $175 for it, but you can check it out and try it out for free for 30 days. That's very good, and you can get actually like even the 50% student discount available, and that's great. So the strength, like the industry standard used by 90% of film TV professionals, so that's very good. Also a scene navigator for script overview, speech to script dictation, online collaboration, goal settings and productivity tracking, and also typewriter mode. And you can have also the structure lines, and that honors by famous filmmakers if you want to. And the weaknesses, it's kind of like the expensive thing, no Linux support, sometimes crashing on Mac OS, but you can like download it and see for yourself, and that's something to be aware of. So yeah, and then you can have also the WriterDuet. So the WriterDuet, what you can actually like be aware of is that it's free right here. You're gonna like free projects, industry standard template. But then you can have also the plus here, where you can have like the unlimited projects, real-time collaboration, desktop application. So, but it's like on monthly basis. This is not something like one-time payment. And you see right here, you can have like best-in-class real-time collaboration, cloud-based. Every keystroke saved, can export from any point in history, PDF to editable document version, so autosave, a lot of stuff. But it's kind of like the browse based, so you can get like distracted by the internet, sometimes can be slow. Also mobile app needs optimization, and the free version is limited to free scripts, so that's something to be aware of. And yeah, so that's another one. Now, the last one that I want to share with you is called Movie Magic Screenwriter. So it's like very like what you can actually like can expect from it. So used in industry for decades. Okay, excellent stability, strong revision system, frequently used in TV production, iPart and text-to-speech readback, script compare features, cheat function, 100 plus templates, won Academy Technical Achievement Award for screenwriting software. So that's very good, but you don't have weak support. You don't have also real-time collaboration. Dated interface, doesn't support final draft. And the best for is like TV writers working on shows that require it, production environments with heavy revision tracking, and also those who don't need mobile or real-time collaboration. So this is another one, is like it's very like used in the past, and maybe you're gonna like it. So that's pretty much it guys for watching, and yeah, have a great day and goodbye.